moving on, we are going to talk about the Quit India movement. This movement was also started by Gandhiji. Gandhiji in India started the three most important movements. The first one was the non-cooperation movement, the second one was the civil disobedience movement, and the third one was the Quit India movement. Keeping in mind the World War situation, the Congress Working Committee decided to end the individual satyagraha in January 1942. Now what happened was, there was this thing called individual satyagraha. That is, suppose let's say ki in Gujarat I am famous, so I will start a satyagraha in Gujarat. In Bengal somebody else is famous, so they will start a satyagraha over there. Okay, if in Rajasthan somebody else is famous, so they will start a satyagraha over there. Okay, Gandhiji could not go in every state, right? So in every state where he thought that this person is capable of conducting a satyagraha, he told them to start a satyagraha in every state. So what happened was, because the World War was going to start, Congress Working Committee, okay, the Congress which was working, they said that we will end the individual satyagraha. The British government attempted to deceive people of India by Cripps mission. Now there was a mission that came into India, and that was called Cripps mission. This Cripps mission was supposed to give us independence. This Cripps mission was supposed to give us rights. This Cripps mission was supposed to bring about changes in India. But it was just naam ke vaste. It tried to fool people. Okay, in reality nothing of that sort was there. It only came to India to make people believe that changes will happen, but in reality no changes happened and people were made a fool. So Indians were angry and dejected. Now obviously Indians were angry ke bhai, this mission was supposed to come, bring about changes. No changes have come. Britishers are making us a fool. Okay, and this is not right. So people were angry and they were dejected. Dejected એટલે very, very upset. Therefore, people of India no longer had faith in the British rulers. Now the Britishers ની ઉપરથી Indians નો faith વયો ગયો. The Indians did not trust the Britishers at all. Okay. They assumed that the British do not wish to quit India. So by now, the Indians realized कि भाई, these Britishers don't want to leave India. They don't want to quit India. They want to stay here and rule over us. Gandhiji advised the people to come out of their despair and prepare a new and last fight. So now Gandhiji said that to every person that come out of your houses and fight against the Britishers. This is going to be our last fight that we are going to conduct. On August 9th, 1942, resolution for Quit India movement was passed in the working committee of Congress held in Mumbai. So a meeting was held in Mumbai on August 9th, 1942, and a resolution or a deal was passed that a Quit India movement will start in India. On the second day of the resolution, Gandhiji, Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad and other eminent Congress leaders were arrested. So the very next day after the Congress passed this deal, okay, your Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, okay, Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad and other main leaders of Congress were arrested. Why were they arrested? So that Quit India movement would not start, because they were the main leaders. Newspapers were banned. Regional and district level Congress leaders were arrested simultaneously. So all the newspapers were banned so that people would not come to know that Gandhiji and other Congress leaders are arrested. Even je local Congress leaders hata, let's say ki Bhavnagar na je leaders hata, that's called regional or local level. So local level na Congress leaders were also arrested. Arrest of Gandhiji and other leaders resulted in national-wide strike, to this Gandhiji said, "This is the last fight in my life, and therefore people of India should make an attempt to achieve independence." He gave the slogan, "Do or die." So now what happened? Soon the news spread out among the people that Gandhiji and other people are arrested. So everywhere around the nation, everyone was on strike or hartal. Gandhiji said that this is going to be our last fight for independence, and through this we will achieve independence. And he gave this slogan, "Do or die, karo ya maro." Okay, so this was the slogan that was given by Gandhiji.